In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save contact in Zoho Mail. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to keep a copy of an email along with the sender's details so you can reference their information anytime, even outside Zoho Mail. Start by opening your web browser and going to mail.zoho.com. If you're prompted, sign into your account. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at your inbox so you can see your recent messages. If you use folders or filters, switch to inbox to make this easier. Find the message from the person whose details you want to keep and click it to open the full message view. Opening it fully ensures you'll see the full toolbar of actions for that specific email, not just the list view options. At the top of the open message, look for a small down arrow that reveals more actions. Depending on your layout, it may appear near the reply and forward buttons. Hovering over it often shows a label like Show More Options. Click that down arrow to expand the menu. From the expanded menu, choose Save As. This tells Zoho Mail you want to download a copy of the email to your computer. You'll then be prompted to pick a file format. You'll see two choices, HTML or EML. Choose HTML if you want a file you can open in any web browser. This option makes it easy to quickly view the message exactly as it looked in your inbox, which is great for reference, printing, or sharing a snapshot of the email. Depending on the content, your browser may also create a companion folder for images. It's a straightforward choice when you just need to read the message and capture the sender's information in a familiar layout. Choose EML if you want a standard email file that preserves the full message structure, including original headers, sender and recipient details, and attachments. EML files can be opened or imported by many email clients, making them ideal if you plan to store the message in another mail app later or want to keep the email intact for archiving. After you select your preferred format, pick a save location on your computer, such as your Downloads folder. For easier organization, consider renaming the file with the person's name and the date, so it's quick to find later. If you don't see the Save As option, double check that the email is fully open and that you're using the message toolbar, not just the list view. And remember to store downloaded messages securely, since they may contain personal information. That's it. Your email, along with the sender's details, is now saved for easy access whenever you need it.